What's going on, you guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we are out here in Holly Springs. I am doing a virtual tour of this house right behind me for a client that is moving here from Alabama. So they got in touch with me from one of my other past clients and said, hey Eric, I'm in town for 24 to 36 hours. I need to buy a house. So the first house that we looked at yesterday, they liked. The second one they loved. The third one was a close, not quite what they were looking for. So they had to fly out of town and wanted me to look at one more house. So today we're stopping by to look at this house and we're gonna get some video for them because they are out of town. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna shoot that video for them. I'm gonna put it together and I'm gonna send it to them. Maybe they'll wanna buy it, maybe they won't. If they do, we're gonna do an offer, we're gonna get it sent in. Everything's gonna work out perfectly if it's the right house for them. And yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Just got done filming that beautiful house. The pictures just don't do it justice. So I'm super excited to put this video together and get it over to my client. Hopefully he and his wife love it because it is a stunning house, as you can see behind me. So let's get back home. We're gonna put all that together. We're gonna get it out to them and I'll let you know how that goes, but stick around for the next episode and I'll see you guys there.